let's cook Angus beef, the taste of inspiration. So we need to sprinkle in the first phase with spice classic garlic salt, or any salt will do, and we need to turn it over and sprinkle. Then we need to put some olive oil in it. And the other face. Then let's set in a fire and set it with 375 degrees Celsius and have about 30 minutes. There you go. It's time to check. Okay. So it's time to flip the other side like that. Flip it over. And so let's check. Since our fan fryer sets only for 30 minutes, we added up to 10, and let's try to check. There you go. Here comes our beef Angus look like. Great. Needs more. And so I cut it, as you can see. Perfect. And a total of 40 minutes within 375 degrees Fahrenheit of heat. So as you can see, that red thing looks good. Perfect. And you can have stir fry on your Angus beef. Wow, and the beef is ready for dinner. Have a good time. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe. America's Life.